In today's class, carbon and its compound. Okay, let us see some more examples from textbook for IUPAC. So compound is CH3, C double bond O, CH2, 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 CH2OH. That is given organic compound. So what is the name of this carbon compound? So now I am giving name of this compound here. First of all, you select the longest carbon chain. So this is a longest carbon chain. This is only, there is no branch. There is no branch. Or there is no any substituent. So here, next I am going to here root word. That means how many carbon atoms within this molecule or within this compound. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 carbon atoms in this compound. Now I am giving numbers to the carbon atoms in this carbon compound. So in the carbon compound, 2 functional groups are present. That means one is ketone, C double bond O. One is ketone, another is alcohol. This is ketone, this is alcohol. So here, based on the order of priority, okay, you give more priority to the ketone than the alcohol. So alcohol kante ketone ki more priority one. Okay, that means the least number should be given to the ketone. The least number should be given to the ketone. Okay. Now I am giving numbers from this way. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this carbon, on second carbon, ketone is present. On 7th carbon, alcohol is present. Okay. If subset, that means if carbon compound contains 2 functional groups, okay, in the 2 functional groups, one is acts as principal functional group, another is acts as substituent. That means second grade functional group. Okay, that will also act as here substituent. Okay, so in this compound, ketone and alcohol, both functional group is present. In between ketone and alcohol, ketone is a main functional group, so it acts as a secondary suffix. It is a alcohol, that means second grade functional group, so it acts as a prefix. Okay. What is the rule of this IUPAC nomenclature here? Prefix, root word, primary suffix, and secondary suffix. So first of all, you should write the prefix for giving the name. So in this compound, alcohol is a prefix. That means secondary prefix. Right. So this is placed on the 7th carbon. So that means 7 hydroxy 7-hydroxy. Generally, alcohol suffix గా యాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఓల్ సౌండ్ ఇండికేట్ చేస్తాము. ఓల్. So in this compound, alcohol acts as a prefix. So OH group చూడండి, OH group suffix గా యాక్ట్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ఓల్. అదే ప్రిఫిక్స్ గా యాక్ట్ చేసింది అనుకోండి, సపోజ్ hydroxy. Okay, when alcohol acts as suffix, okay, that should be given here ol sound. If suppose prefix, that is hydroxy. So in this compound, OH is acts as a prefix. So this is hydroxy. This hydroxy group is placed on the 7th carbon. So you can write here 7-hydroxy. Okay, that is prefix is completed, and come to the root word. So here 7 carbons are present. So then hept. So next come to the primary suffix. So here only single bonds are present, like this ane. Single bonds unte untam ane, double bonds unte ene, triple bonds unnappudu ine. So 7-hydroxyheptane. Next go to the secondary suffix. Here what is the secondary suffix in this compound? That is ketone. This is placed on the second carbon. So that is 2-one. So ketone ikkada suffix ga act chesaratappudu dane ఏమన్నా ఓన్ అనాలి. 7-hydroxyheptane 2-one. That is the name of the given carbon compound. 7-hydroxyheptane 2-one. Right. So you go to here another compound. Next here CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH2, CH. Right. That is the name of this compound here. So what is the name? Of this compound? So first of all here numbering ఏవైపు ఇస్తాం చూడండి. ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉండే కార్బన్ కి లీస్ట్ నెంబర్ రావాలి, అట్లా నెంబరింగ్ ఇవ్వాలి. సో సారీ మా like this is given compound. Okay, right. So from this side 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are present. So here prefix, there is no prefix, and then root word here 5 carbons are present. So that is pent. Next go to primary suffix. So here double bond is present, which is placed on the 4th carbon. That means 4-ene, and go to secondary suffix. Here alcohol. That means 2-ol. Pent 4-ene 2-ol. That is the name of the given carbon compound. Okay. Pent 4-ene 2-ol. So there is no any substituent group. That means no need to write the here prefix. Substituent groups లేవు కాబట్టి prefix రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. So next one, come to the root word. So in this compound 5 carbons are present. So root word is pent. Next come to the primary suffix. So here double bond is present. So that is ene. Double bond unde ene. It is placed on the 4th carbon. So that is 4-ene. Next go to the secondary suffix. secondary suffix. That is alcohol. Alcohol. So alcohol group suffix గా యాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు వాటిని ఏమంటాం ol, which is present or placed on the second carbon. So that is 2ol. So pent 4-ene 2ol. Pent 4-ene 2ol. That is name of the given carbon compound. So next one is CH2 double bond. CH2 double bond, C double bond, C, CH, here C, Cl, single bond, CH, Cl, CHCl, and CH2, CH2, CHOH, CH2OH. That is given carbon compound. So here 2 double bonds, 2 substituents, and 2 functional groups are present. So the least number should be given to the carbon atom which has functional group. So the numbering is giving from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 carbons are present here. So prefix means here 2 substituents, okay, which are placed on the 5th and 6th carbon. 5th carbon paina, 6th carbon paina, both the 2 carbons paina same substituents unnayamma. Same substituents means on 5th carbon chlorine is present. On 6th carbon also chlorine is present. So that is, these are acts as prefix in this compound. So 5th position, 6th position. That means 5, 6, 5, 6. So 2 chlorines are present. That means dichloro, 5, 6, dichloro, 5, 6, dichloro. Next, come to the root word. Here 8 carbons are present. So that means oct. Oct. Okay. Next, primary suffix. Primary suffix means in this compound double bonds are present. Okay, which are placed on the 6th carbon and 7th carbon. 6th and 7th carbon. So 6th carbon paina, 7th carbon paina 2 double bonds unnai. Then 6, 7, 6, 7, 2 double bonds unnai kabatti diene, 6, 7 diene. Next, go to the secondary suffix. That means functional group, which are placed on the 1 and 2. That means 1, 2 diol. 1, 2 diol. Okay. 5, 6 dichloro, oct, 6, 7 diene, 1, 2 diol. That is name of the given carbon compound. Once again, here this is given carbon compound. Okay. Numbering ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు functional group unde carbon ki least number రావాలి. So these both are functional groups. Okay. Okay, here I give numbering from this side. That means this alcohol is getting least number. Okay. Alcohol unde carbon ki least number వచ్చేస్తుంది. So 1 to 8 carbons are present. ఇప్పుడు name ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు first of all we can write here prefix. So in this compound both 2 chlorine atoms are present. 2 chlorine atoms. So these are substituent groups. Okay. These both are substituent groups which is actual prefix in this compound. So this chlorine is placed on the 6th carbon. This chlorine is placed on the 6th carbon. That means both 2 chlorine atoms are placed on the fifth and sixth carbon. That means 5,6 dichloro. Okay, why? Because here two chlorines are present. That means dichloro. 5,6 dichloro. Here 8 carbons are present. That means ox. Next, go to primary suffix. So in this compound, double bonds are present, which are placed on the sixth carbon and seventh carbon. That means 6, 7, 6, 7. Two double bonds are, and the two double bonds ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి డైఈన్. ఫస్ట్ పొజిషన్ సెకండ్ పొజిషన్ లో టూ ఆల్కహాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, టూ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి డైఓల్. దట్ ఈస్ ది నేమ్ ఆఫ్ గివెన్ కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్. ఓకే, రైట్. ఈ 3 నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఎంత బిగ్గెస్ట్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఇచ్చినా కూడా ఈజీగా వాటిని మనం చూడండి. ఒకసారిగా వన్స్ అగైన్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ కాంపౌండ్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, the least number should be given to the carbon atom which has a functional group. But in this carbon compound, two functional groups are present. They are ketone and alcohol. Ketone and alcohol. So in between ketone and alcohol, according to order of priority, okay, you can give the more priority to the ketone. Okay, order of priority prakaram alcohol kante ketone ki more priority iవ్వాలి. That means the least number should be given to the ketone. More priority ఇవ్వాలి అంటే దానికి least number ఇవ్వాలి. కాబట్టి దీనికి least number వచ్చేటట్టుగా ఈ వైపు నుంచి నెంబరింగ్ ఇస్తాం. ఓకే, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means there is presence of 7 carbon atoms in this carbon compound. So there is no here, two functional groups present. So this is principal functional group as giving the major priority. This is principal functional group. This is second grade functional group. That means substituent. So this acts as a prefix. This acts as a prefix. Alcohol is a prefix in this compound. Ketone is a suffix. Once again, in this compound, alcohol is a prefix in this compound. Ketone is a suffix. Why? Because this has a major priority. So this is principal functional group. This is second grade function. That means substituent. So first you can write here prefix. This is prefix. So it is placed on the 7th carbon. So you can write 7-hydroxy. Next one, there are 7 carbons are present. That means hept. These are all single bonds, means ane. 7-hydroxyheptane. On second carbon, ketone is present. That means 2-one. 7-hydroxyheptane 2-one. That is name of the given carbon compound. So next, come to this compound. In this compound, OH, alcohol is present. So that is functional group. The least number should be given to this carbon atom. Why? Because this has a functional group. So you can give numbering from this side. That means 1 2 3 4 5. So in this compound, there is no any substituent. That means no need to write the prefix. Next, go to the root word. Root word means it tells about the number of carbon atoms in this carbon compound. So here 5 carbons are present. So that is pent. So next, come to the primary suffix. So here double bond is present. This is placed on the 4th carbon. That means 4-ene. Next, go to secondary suffix. This is alcohol. It is placed on the second position. So 2-one. The total name of the carbon compound, pent 4-ene 2-one. Next, come to this compound. In this compound, two substituents are present. Two alcohol means functional groups are present. That means same type. Two double bonds are present. So these both substituent groups act as a prefix. Here, these both act as a suffix. Okay, these double bonds act as a primary suffix. So first of all, you can write the prefix. That means chlorine. Two chlorines which are present on the fifth carbon and sixth carbon. 5, 6, 5, 6. So here two chlorines are present. That means dichloro. 5, 6 dichloro. 8 carbons are present. Oct. Oct. Next, go to primary suffix. Double bonds are present. These are placed on the sixth carbon and seventh carbon. That means 6, 7. 6 to 7. And the sixth carbon paina a double bond. Seventh carbon paina another double bond. Totally, two double bonds are present. That means di. Double bonds ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమంటాం ene. 6, 7 diene. 1, 2 dione. 1, 2 dione. Okay, నోట్ చేసుకోవాలి మన నీట్గా. Okay, next one. Next given compound. First one is 2-methyl pentane 3-vol. Next compound is 2-methyl pentane 3-vol. That is the name of the carbon compound here. Now, from this name, you can write the structure of this compound. So first of all, you can shoot here. Sorry. You identify the root word. That means pent. Pent means 5 carbons. 5 carbons. Ane means single bond. Pent means 5 carbons are present, and ane means 3 carbons. Sorry, single bond. So 2-methyl. That is on second carbon, methyl group is present. That means this is first carbon, this is second carbon. That is CH3. And 3-ol, this is third carbon, OH. And remaining covalent bonds satisfied by the required number of hydrogen atoms. So this carbon, only one bond is present. So 3 hydrogens are required. 3 hydrogens. Next, come to this carbon. 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are present. So here only 1 hydrogen is required. So next, come to this carbon. 1, 2, 3. So this is also required here. Only 1 hydrogen. Next, come to this carbon. So it contains 2 bonds only. So 2 hydrogens. Totally 4 bonds around the carbon. Next, come to this carbon. Here only 1 bond is present. So that means 3 hydrogens are required. 3 hydrogens. So you can write here CH3, CH3, and CH, CH3, and CH, OH, CH2, CH3. That is 2-methyl pentane 3-ol. Okay, next compound is, next one, 2-bromo 3-ethyl, 2-bromo 3-ethyl, 2-bromo 3-ethyl, penta 1,4-diene, penta 1,4-diene, 1,4-diene, 2-bromo 3-ethyl, penta 1,4-diene. So here you select the root word in this compound, that means pent. Pent means 5 carbon, 5 carbon. So first and fourth position, first carbon paina, fourth carbon paina, diene means 2 double bonds undalamma. So this is first carbon. On this carbon, 1 double bond is present, and the second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, which is here, it contains double bond also. That means 1,4-diene. But చూడండి, first carbon paina, fourth carbon paina, 2 double bonds ఉన్నాయి. That means 1,4-diene. Next, come to the here. This is second carbon. On the second carbon, bromine, 2-bromo. 2-bromo means on this second carbon, bromine is present. Next, come to the third carbon, 3-ethyl. On third carbon, ethyl is present. C2H5. C2H5 is the ethyl. Okay, next one, like this. So remaining valency is satisfied by required number of hydrogen atoms. So this carbon contains 2 bonds. So it required 2 hydrogens. 2 hydrogens. Next, come to this carbon. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no required. Here, there is no need hydrogen atom. Why? Because already this carbon contains 4 bonds around this carbon. So around this carbon. So come to this carbon. Here, 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are present. So only 1 hydrogen is required. So next, come to this carbon. 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are present. It requires only 1 hydrogen. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So after adding hydrogens around this carbon, 4 bonds are present. Next, come to this carbon. It contains 2 bonds. That means to require here 2 hydrogens. So you must write the CH2, CH2, double bond, CBr, CH, C2H5, CH, double bond, CH. That is structure of the given name. Okay, right. So once again, 2-methyl pentane 3-ol. First of all, you select the root word, that means pent. Okay, 5 carbons like this here. So 2 methyl అంటే second carbon పైన methyl, 3 whole third carbon పైన alcohol. Okay, write this. This is total structure of this name of the compound. So next come to the 2 bromo 3 ethyl penta 1,4-diene. So in this compound root word is spent. Root word is spent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. So 1,4-diene. 1,4-diene. Di means 2. Ene means double bond. 2 double bonds undali. ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి 2 double bonds? 1, 4. First position, fourth position. So this is first position. This is fourth position. ఇక్కడ ఒక డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉంది. సో రిమైనింగ్ అంతా ఏం చేస్తాయి? సారీ, 2 బ్రోమో సెకండ్ కార్బన్ పైన బ్రోమిన్, 3 ఇథైల్ థర్డ్ కార్బన్ పైన ఇథైల్. ఇక్కడ ఈ కార్బన్ దగ్గర 2 బాండ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 2 హైడ్రోజన్స్ అటాచ్ చేసాము. ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ కార్బన్ ఇట్ కంటైన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ 4 bonds, so there is no need the hydrogen atom. So this contains 1, 2, 3 bonds, so 1 hydrogen is required. 1, 2, 3, it is also required here 1 hydrogen. ఈ కార్బన్ దగ్గర 2 bonds ఉన్నాయి కదా, 2 hydrogens పెట్టాం. Total the structure. Note this. ఈ 2 examples వేయండి. Okay, next one. Next compound 3 bromo 2 chloro. Next compound is 3 bromo 2 chloro 5 oxo 5 oxo hexanoic acid. This is name of the compound. దీనికి స్ట్రక్చర్ రాయాలమ్మా. ఓకే, ఎక్కడైనా చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ షుడ్ సెలెక్ట్ ది రూట్ వర్డ్, దట్ మీన్స్ హెగ్స్. హెగ్స్ మీన్స్ 6 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. సో ఓయిక్ యాసిడ్ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ కార్బన్ అనుకోవాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ COOH, ఓయిక్ యాసిడ్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ కార్బన్. So 3-bromo అంటే third carbon పైన bromine. It is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. On the third carbon, bromine is present. Like this. Next, 2-chloro on the second carbon, chlorine is present. Next one, 5-oxo. Oxo means ketone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like this. Ketone. So, ketone ni prefix ga use చేసేటప్పుడు oxo అంటాము, suffix అయితే o అని అంటాము. Right. So that means here. So remaining అంతా hydrogens add చేయాలి. So carbon, once again here, hex means 6 carbon, oic acid. It is, that means here, on the first carbon, oic acid means carboxylic acid, that means COOH. Next one, 3-bromo, that means on the third carbon, bromine group is present. Next, 2-chloro. On the second carbon, chlorine is present. Next one, 5-oxo. Okay. On this fifth carbon, oxo group, like that, ketone is present. So remaining, it contains only one bond. So that means here, it requires 3 hydrogens. That means CH3. 3 hydrogens. Okay. Next, come to this carbon. This carbon already contains 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds around this carbon. So no need to write any hydrogen at this carbon. So next, this come to this carbon. Here 1, 2. 2 bonds are present. So you need here 2 hydrogens are required. Next, come to this carbon. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are present. You require 1 hydrogen. Next, 1, 2, 3. Here is also 1 hydrogen. So totally, that means CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH, Br, CHCl, COOH. That is structure of the given compound. Okay, right. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is the tetravalency of carbon is satisfied by here hydrogen. Okay, note this example. Three bromo, 2-chloro, 5-oxo, hexanoic acid. Okay, next compound. Next one is 3-amino, 2-bromo, and hexane 1-ol. Okay, once again here in this compound also, firstly you observe or you identify the root word. That means hex. Hex means 6 carbon. 6 carbon. Ane. Ane means single bond. In this carbon, you can write the 6 carbon with a single bond between any 2 carbon atoms. That means C like this. Next one, 3 amino. 3 amino. So on the third carbon here, amino. Amino means NH2. This is amino. 1, 2, 3. This is third carbon. So next one, 2 bromo. On second carbon, we should give the bromine. It is placed on the second carbon. And 1 mole. 1 mole means on first carbon, OH group is present. So now you adding the hydrogen atom for satisfying the tetravalency of carbon. So this carbon contains 2 bonds. So we adding 2 hydrogens on this carbon. Next, come to this carbon here, 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are present. So require only 1 hydrogen. And come to this carbon, 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are present already. So 1 hydrogen is required. So next one, this carbon contains 2 bonds. So required here 2 hydrogen. This is also from here. It contains only 1 bond. So 3 hydrogens are required. So that means OH, CH2, CHBr, CH, NH2, CH2, CH2, CH. That is name of the, structure of the given name of the compound. Okay? Right. CH2OH, CHBr, CHNH2, CH2, CH2, CH2. Next, last compound is, okay, దీన్ని నోట్ చేసుకోండి, తర్వాత మళ్ళీ రాసుకునేది. Okay, next compound. (3,4) dichlorobutadiene. 3,4 dichlorobutadiene. That is name of the carbon compound. 3,4 dichlorobutadiene. So here in this compound, root word is but. That means 4 carbons are present. Here 1 ene on first carbon, double bond is present. C double bond C like this. 4 carbon at the first carbon, double bond is present. So next one, 3,4 dichloro. Here 3,4 dichloro. That means okay. Next, here this carbon contains 2 bonds. So 2 hydrogens are required. Here 1 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, here also 1 hydrogen. Sorry, 2 hydrogen. That means CH2 double bond, CH, CHCl, CH2Cl. Right. So now this example. So these are IUPAC names of the carbon compound. Once again, synopsis. I will give synopsis now here. First of all, given any compound, a compound ichna kuda, first of all, you should select the longest carbon chain as a root word. Okay? Exam lo a compound ichna first em chestam, longest carbon chain choose chesukovali as a root word. Root word ga select chestuntam danni. So after that here, the least number should be given to the carbon atom which has a substituent group or functional group. Substituent group gaani functional group gaani unde carbon ki least number ivali. In case suppose same type of substituents ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ అయితే సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటాయో అన్ని టైమ్స్ రాసుకుంటాం. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏ కార్బన్ పైన అయితే సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్ ఉంటుందో ఆ కార్బన్ నంబర్ని మెయిన్లో మెన్షన్ చేయాలి, నేమ్లో మెన్షన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇన్ కేస్ సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్స్ ఒక 2 ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, దాన్ని డైక్లోరో. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సేమ్ క్లోరిన్ యాటమ్స్ అని సేమ్ కాంపౌండ్లో ఉంటే డైక్లోరో అంటాం. ఇన్ కేస్ బ్రోమిన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు డైబ్రోమో. 2 ఉంటే ఓకే, అయోడిన్ ఉంటే 2-iodo, ఐ మీన్ డైఐడో. ఇన్ కేస్ 3 ఉన్నాయనుకోండి ట్రైక్లోరో, ట్రైబ్రోమో, ట్రైఐడో. 4 ఉన్నాయి సపోజ్ టెట్రాక్లోరో, టెట్రాబ్రోమో, టెట్రాఐడో ఆర్ టెట్రామిథైల్. ఓకే, ఇట్లాంటి కాంపౌండ్స్ అనేది వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. ద సేమ్ కాంపౌండ్, ఈ ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్ కంటైన్స్ double bonds and triple bonds. The least number should be given to the double bond. Okay, double bond substituent ఉన్నప్పుడు least number దేనికి ఇస్తాం, ఇక్కడ డబుల్ బాండ్ కి ఇస్తాం అన్నమాట. ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ అండ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్ ఉంది. ఇఫ్ ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్ కంటైన్స్ ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ అండ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూయెంట్, ది లీస్ట్ నెంబర్ షుడ్ బి గివెన్ టు ది ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్. If organic compound contains double bond and triple bond, okay, the least number should be given to the here double bond carbon. So many examples. You see so many examples for the IUPAC nomenclature. So first compound ఇచ్చాము, దాని తర్వాత నేమ్ ఇచ్చే టైప్ చూసాం. అనదర్ టైప్ వచ్చేసి నేమ్ ఇస్తాడు, వాటి కాంపౌండ్ అంటే స్ట్రక్చర్ గీయాలి. ఇక్కడ సో మెనీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చూసాం మనం. ఓకే, మీన్ బ్యూటేన్, పెంటేన్, హెక్సేన్, 2-methyl butane, 2-methyl pentane, 2-methyl hexane, okay, 3-methyl or 2-chlorobutane, 2-chloropentane. That's so many examples. So name ఇచ్చి కాంపౌండ్ రాయమన్నప్పుడు you select the first root word, that means prop, but, pent, okay, hex, hept అట్లా. సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు నేమ్లో పెంట్ ఉందనుకోండి, కంపల్సరీ 5 కార్బన్స్ గీస్తాం, 5 కార్బన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ హెగ్స్ ఉంది 6 కార్బన్, బ్యూట్ 4 కార్బన్, అట్లాగే ఆక్ట్ 8 కార్బన్, డెత్ 10 కార్బన్. ఓకే, ఇట్లా గీయాలి. సో ఇన్ కేస్ ప్రైమరీ సఫిక్స్ ఏన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు అన్ని సింగిల్ బాండ్స్ రాస్తూ వెళ్తాం, సింగిల్ బాండ్. ఈన్ అయితే డబుల్ బాండ్, ఐన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్. అంటే దాని రివర్స్ ఎట్లా చెప్తాం, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated means the compounds must contain only single bonds. Only single bonds మాత్రమే ఉంటే that is saturated. Double bonds or triple bond, that means multiple bonds. Multiple bonds ఉన్నప్పుడు unsaturated అని చెప్తాం, unsaturated. సో కాంపౌండ్ లో సింగిల్ బాండ్స్ మాత్రమే ఉంటే అక్కడ ప్రైమరీ సఫిక్స్ ఈజ్ ఏన్. డబుల్ బాండ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈన్, ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఐన్. ఓకే, సింగిల్ బాండ్స్ ఉంటే ఏన్, డబుల్ బాండ్స్ ఉంటే ఈన్, ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్స్ ఐన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ సెకండరీ సఫిక్స్, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇట్ ఇండికేట్స్ ది ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్. మన ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, ప్రిఫిక్స్, రూట్ వర్డ్, ప్రైమరీ సఫిక్స్, సెకండరీ సఫిక్స్. సో ప్రిఫిక్స్ ఇండికేట్స్ ది substituent group in any given carbon compound. ఈ కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్ ఉండే సబ్స్టిట్యూటెంట్ గ్రూప్ ని ఇది ఇండికేట్ చేస్తుందమ్మా. ఎనీ సబ్స్టిట్యూటెంట్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎఫ్ ఫ్లోరిన్ ఉంది, ఫ్లోరిన్, క్లోరో, బిఆర్ బ్రోమో, ఐ iodo. CH3 means methyl, ethyl, propyl. Okay, OCH3 that is methoxy. OCH3 means methoxy. ఏది ప్రిఫిక్స్ గా. అట్లాగే ఆల్కహాల్, ఆల్కహాల్ ప్రిఫిక్స్ గా యాక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు హైడ్రాక్సీ, హైడ్రాక్సీ అంటాం. అదే సఫిక్స్ గా యాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఓల్, ఓల్ అనే సౌండ్ కి ఇండికేట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్డిహైడ్. ఆల్డిహైడ్ ని ప్రిఫిక్స్ గా యూజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఫార్మైల్, సఫిక్స్ అయితే ఆల్. ఓకే, అట్లాగే కీటోన్, కీటోన్ ఉంది. I mean oxo, that is keto or oxo, that is prefix. That means suffix. When it is suffix, that is own, own. Okay, అట్లాంటి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. సో రిమైన్ ఇక్కడికి IUPAC nomenclature is completed. టుమారో క్లాస్ ఫర్దర్ టాపిక్స్ అనేది డిస్కస్ చేయాలి.